Hi guys, this topic is identify lacking gearbox by Eagle is M plus. Let's go started. Machines are developed to reduce effort by human beings are so the artificially intelligent which is combined with the machine does reduce effort at the same time. Decide when to apply the effort. The decision part which was so far a human is a faculty have now been is shifted to the machines. The following the project will identify on its own when a massive gearbox starting lacking and when it is rise alarm or stop the machine depending upon the nature of lacking. The package is the background. The coal handle grant which is responsible for grading 6,000 for 70,000 tons of gold everything to the 5,000 MW thermal powers the plant. This is a boiler. The largest plant of India is a big network of several belt the conveyors go just the silos and F4 truck is happened. Several thousand trailer of the large beings of well transmissions of well beside tons of gas are required every year to maintain these labyrinth conveyors. Every day, some gear fields of some conveyor break down due to myriad of reasons. I am in charge of this is a behemoth, and to help me, I have several managers, senior manager, and the surprise, but it is enough. The cause of the problem is the coil in itself. The Indian goal has poor the calorific value besides being hard, as a result of which is quantum of the coil needs to this is a instruction rushed fired for the running. This is a boiler at full load is a 16,000 k's is a and content and about the 1% sulfur content of coal is the main is a corrosive or corrosive agent respectively which creators hope you for the machines that process this coal. Thank you for watching.